In a world where wellness is paramount, there exists a humble yet powerful plant that has captured the attention of health enthusiasts and scientists alike. Welcome to the world of Moringa, a botanical treasure trove with origins deeply rooted in ancient cultures. In this video, we will embark on a journey to discover the secrets of this remarkable plant and unlock its myriad benefits. We will explore the captivating story of Moringa, a plant hailed for its unparalleled nutritional prowess and medicinal properties. Centuries ago, in the heart of ancient civilizations spanning from the Indian subcontinent to Africa, Moringa was revered as a symbol of vitality and longevity. Its leaves, seeds, and pods were treasured not only for their culinary richness, but also for their medicinal virtues. Moringa's journey through time is nothing short of fascinating. From the Ayurvedic texts of India to the annals of ancient Egypt, this plant has been celebrated for its diverse applications. From culinary delights to herbal remedies, its presence in traditional medicine speaks volumes about its profound impact on human health and well-being. Fast forward to the modern era where scientific inquiry has unlocked the secrets of Moringa's nutritional composition. Packed with an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, Moringa has earned its reputation as a superfood of unparalleled potency. But Moringa's appeal extends beyond its nutritional profile. Its delicate flavor profile, reminiscent of spinach with a hint of nuttiness, lends itself beautifully to a variety of culinary creations. Moringa, known as the miracle tree, offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, supporting immune function and protecting against chronic diseases. Moringa promotes healthy skin, regulates blood sugar levels, supports heart health, aids digestion, and boosts energy levels. Its versatile nature makes it a valuable addition to any diet for overall well-being. Here are various creative ways to incorporate Moringa into your diet. You can blend Moringa powder with fruits and greens for a nutritious smoothie. Brew Moringa leaves or powder in hot water for a health-boosting tea. Sprinkle Moringa powder or toss fresh leaves into salads for added nutrition. Stir Moringa powder into soups or stews during cooking for extra nutrients. Add Moringa leaves or powder to vegetable stir-fries for a healthy twist. Stir Moringa powder into water for a refreshing beverage with health benefits. These are just a few ideas to get started, but the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating Moringa into your meals and snacks. Get creative and enjoy the health benefits of this versatile superfood. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this one. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new videos. See you next time.